Today, I will show you how to subscribe to Mysterium VPN. Before we start, I want to quickly mention the VPN I personally trust and use every day. I have been using NordVPN for over 5 years because it offers strong security, fast speeds, and reliable servers all around the world. It is not free, but it is much safer and more stable than most free VPNs. I will talk more about NordVPN again at the end of this video, so keep watching. First, let me quickly explain what Mysterium VPN is. Mysterium is a decentralized VPN. This means it does not work like normal VPN companies with big servers. Instead, it uses real people around the world who share their internet connection. This can help with privacy and can sometimes give you access to many locations. Now let us start with how to get Mysterium VPN for free. First, open your web browser and go to the official Mysterium website. Once the website loads, look at the top of the page and click on the Sign In button. You will see options to sign in using your email address or your Google account. Choose the option you prefer. If you are new, create an account by following the on-screen steps. After signing in, you will land on your dashboard. On the dashboard, look at the left panel of the screen. From this left panel, click on the Download option. You will now see download options for different devices. You can choose Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or other supported platforms. Click on the version that matches your device and start the download. If you are on Windows, the installer may redirect you to the Microsoft Store. When this happens, simply click Install and wait for the installation to complete. After the download finishes, locate the file on your computer. If it is a compressed file, extract it by following the on-screen process. This is usually done by right-clicking the file and selecting Extract. Once the app is installed, open Mysterium VPN. You will be asked to log in. Use the same email or Google account you used earlier on the website. After logging in, you will see the main screen. This includes a map and a list of available countries and locations. Look for the Get Subscription button on the main screen and click it. You will then see the available plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and continue. Next, select your preferred payment method. If you choose to pay by card, enter your card number, the expiration date, and the CVC code, then confirm the payment. Once the payment is completed, your subscription will be activated and you can start using Mysterium VPN immediately. Now I want to be honest with you about free VPNs, including Mysterium when used for free. Free VPN options often come with downsides. Security may be weaker compared to paid VPNs. Speeds can be slower because many people are sharing the same nodes. Connections may be less stable. Some free VPN services also make money by tracking your activity or selling user data. Even decentralized VPNs can carry risks because you are routing traffic through unknown devices. Because of these reasons, free VPNs are best for light or occasional use. If you care about strong privacy, fast speeds, and reliable connections, a paid VPN is usually a better choice. By the way, if you're interested in trying out my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.